Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to our mathematics class. Today, we are going to discuss about division of rational numbers. In this property, we can see that if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers and c by d not equal to 0, then a by b divided by c by d equal to a by b into reciprocal of c by d, that is equal to a by b into d by c.
Division of rational numbers. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, such that c by d not equal to 0, then a by b divided by c by d equal to a by b into reciprocal of c by d. That is equal to a by b into d by c. Let's start our exercise problem. Evaluate question number 1. We already studied about when a number divided by another number, so that is same as number multiplied by the reciprocal of the rational number. Here we can see that cancellation is possible when a number divided by 1 is same as, we will get the quotient as that number. Second question, negative 5 by 12 divided by 1 by 16 is equal to negative 5 by 12 into 16 by 1. Cancellation possible. 12 and 16 are the multiples of 4. So 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So numerator and the denominator having no common factor other than 1. So our answer is negative 20 by 3. If it is an improper fraction, we want to convert it into a mixed fraction, that is equal to 6 3s are 18, balance 2. So our answer is equal to what? Negative 6 2. 0 divided by negative 4 by 7 is equal to 0 multiplied by the reciprocal of a fraction. So that is equal to 0 is multiplied by any number, we will get the product as a 0 itself. So our answer is equal to 0. Then question number 4, negative 3 by 4 divided by negative 9, that is equal to negative 3 by 4 into reciprocal of negative 9 is negative 1 by 9. Here 3 and 9 are the multiples, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That is equal to negative 1 into negative 1, positive 1, 4 into 3 is equal to what? 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Question number 5, negative 5 divided by negative 10 by 11, that is equal to negative 5. Reciprocal of negative 10 by 11 is same as negative 11 by 10. 5 10 cancellation possible, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So our answer is negative 1 into negative 11, positive 11 by 2. That is same as, this is also a improper fraction, we can convert into mixed fraction, that is equal to 5 1 by 2. Second main question, divide 3 by 1 by 3. So first we can write the meaning of the question, that is equal to 3 divided by 1 by 3. That is same as 3 into reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. 3 into 3, 9. So our answer is equal to what? 3 by Second question, 0 by 7 by negative 9. 0, write the meaning of the question. 0 by negative 7 by 9, that is same as 0 into negative 9 by 7. 0 is multiplied by any number, we will get the product as 0 itself. Question number 3, negative 3 by 4 by negative 9 by 6, that is equal to negative 3 by 4 divided by negative 9 by 16, that is equal to negative 3 by 4 into 16 by 9. Cancellation possible. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So our answer is equal to negative 1 into negative 4, positive 4 by 3, that is same as 1 1 by 3. Third main question, the product of two rational numbers is negative 2. If one of them is 4 by 7, find the other. So we can write given data, product of two rational numbers is equal to product of two rational numbers is equal to negative 2. One of the rational number is equal to one of the rational number four by 7. So the other rational number, let x be the other rational number. Let x be the other rational number. Therefore, x into one of the rational number is 4 by 7. Product is equal to negative 2. Therefore, we want to calculate the value of x. So, multiplied 4 by 7 is transferring negative 2 divided by 4 by 7. So, that is same as negative 2 into 7 by 4. Then we can cancellation possible here. 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So, negative 7 by 2. Therefore, the required rational number is equal to negative 7 by 2. Main question number 5, m and n are two rational numbers such that m into n is equal to negative 25 by 9. Question number 1, if m is equal to 5 by 3, find n. Second question, do it as your homework. If n is equal to negative 10 by 9, find m. First question, first we can write the given data. M into n is equal to negative 25 by 9. M is equal to 5 by 3. So we can find out the value of n. Then 5 by 3, substitute the value of m into n is equal to negative 25 by 9. Therefore, n is equal to multiplied 5 by 3 transferring, we will get a negative 25 by 9 divided by 5 by 3. That is equal to negative 25 by 9 into 3 by 5. Cancellation possible. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 3 9 cancellation, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So our answer is product of the numerators negative 5 by 3. So value of n is equal to negative 5 by 3. Question number 6, if 3.5 liters of milk cost rupees 49, find the cost of 1 liter of milk. Here we can given data. First we can write cost of 3.5 liters. 3.5 we can write it as 7 by 2 liters. Liters of milk is equal to rupees 49. We want to calculate cost of 1 liter of milk. Cost of 1 liter of milk is equal to 49 divided by 7 by 2. That is equal to 49 into 2 by 7. Cancellation possible. 7 sevens are 49. 7 into 2 is equal to rupees. Next question, divide the sum of 3 by 7 and negative 5 by 14 by negative. First we can write the meaning of the question. Sum of 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14 divided by negative 1 by 2. That is equal to, here 7 and 14 LCM we can see that 14. So first number is multiplied by 2 plus no change for the second one divided by negative 1 by 2. That is equal to negative 6 by 14 plus negative 5 by 14 divided by negative 1 by 2. That is equal to, inside bracket negative 6 plus negative 5 by 14 divided by negative 1 by 2. That is equal to negative 11 by 14 into 2 by negative 1. Cancellation possible. 1, here 7. 7 2s are 14. Negative into negative, positive. Positive 11 by 7. So our answer is equal to 11 by.
I think all of you understood today's portion. If you have any doubt, contact me and or ask to next class. Do all your homework questions. Thank you.